Aloha! Today we're gonna make Hawaiian style boiled peanuts. Oh, I grew up with this stuff. Love it, love it, love it. It's a party pleaser. But recently, they've gotten expensive. And the nut has changed. Growing up, I remember eating the smaller peanut with the red skin. I learned that those are, I think, Valencia peanuts. These are, I believe, Virginia peanuts. They're bigger, take longer for cook, and they're light, so you're not gonna get that dark, deep color like small kid time. Anyway, still onolicious, broke them out. So, okay. Hawaiian salt, black peppercorns, and I do put shoyu, a heavier shoyu, to try and give it that darker color. You don't need to, it's optional. It's just, you know, my mind, funny kind. And I like to put my own twist on this. You have fun. You can put in what you like. You like garlic? Put in garlic. You like them spicy? Put in chili peppers. Have fun. Make it how you like it. These are the flavors I love. I'll write down the original recipe and then I'll write down the things that I've added. In the original recipe, salt, peppercorns, star anise, ginger. Ooh, windy today. And I think that's it. I'll write everything down. I've added shiitake mushroom, just one, cut them up. Orange peel, a little bit of cinnamon, and a small slice of KONBU. What the heck? And 10 cups of water and 1 pound of your peanuts. Now if you're using a smaller peanut, your cooking time will be less. I found, yeah. Anyway, I've done this like 10 times already, maybe 12. And it's, the texture is always different because not all the peanuts are the same size. Me, I like them a little bit on a softer side. Some of you may like it on the firm side. So we'll go over that later. So have fun. Use what you like. Oh, yeah. Okay. Today I'm using the Instapot. You can do it on the stove. It'll just take you longer. And some people, when they do it the old style, they soak the nuts overnight to help soften it. But today we're using the Instapot, and if you do it on the stove, you use the same ingredients. It's just gonna take you longer to get it to the texture you want. All right, let's get everybody in the pool. So washed. There we go. Okay. So I'm gonna put it on manual for 1 hour. Okay. Now don't forget the Instapot, you set it to whatever time, but the Instapot needs time to get ready, then the clock will start. Another thing, thank you so much for all your love, support, and comments. Sometimes I get notices with a little bell and there's comments, and I always try to reply when you make comments, but for some reason, some people, when I get that notification that there's a message in that area, I cannot reply. So I don't want you to think I'm ignoring you. I just can't get to you. See, too long time for the clock to start. Dun, dun, dun. I forgot to say, make sure your valve is sealed, shut, closed. they're bigger and light. The skin is light. So when I first started making this, I was like, how come the thing will get dark? That's because it was a different peanut. And I need to thank for that factoid one of my YouTube friends, family, Poppy Williams. He made a nice comment about, I think it was the fried rice. And then he said, Georgia, I believe he's from Georgia, he said they have the best peaches and boiled peanuts. I was like, they make boiled peanuts in Georgia? Oh, so naive. I think everything from Hawaii everything I've eaten in Hawaii is originated in Hawaii. Anyway, I'm broadening my brain. So that made me think, other states have their own version of boiled peanuts. So I looked it up and I found this really cute lady. Her name is Phyllis. She did hers in a crock pot. And her site is called Southern Simply. She's so cute. Check her out. And she does her boiled peanuts. I believe she uses the big ones. And she uses a crock pot. So this recipe, I'm going to use Instapot. But all the Instapot recipes, you can do it in the traditional way on the stove in a regular pot. It's just going to take a longer time. The Instapot cuts the cooking time in half. Oh my god, it's so hot. Oh my gosh. What the heck? I killed my camera. Everybody okay? Everybody okay? Take it easy. That's why I got really confused because why these peanuts wouldn't turn dark. Dang nabbit. That's okay, we'll redo this again. I think the neighbor is wondering who I'm talking to. Alright. Let's try this again.